Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to English class. So, previous class I was teaching simple present tense, how to change simple present into present continuous tense. Okay. Some of the sentences given in your workbook. So, those sentences given in the simple present tense, we have to change simple present sentences into present continuous. Okay. And already I told that what is simple present and what is present continuous. Simple present means whatever the works will do regularly. Our regular actions, our habitual actions, our universal truths, we will speak in the simple present tense. So regular actions means just I gave some of the examples that I brush regularly. Okay, so that is the regular action. Everyone will do that work. Okay, that is the regular action. I drink milk. Cows give us milk. So that is universal truth. The sun rises in the east. That is also one of the universal truth. That means nobody can change that. Okay. Such sentences we speak in the simple present tense. That means that will not change. That is a regular habit. Okay. Regularly we will do that works. So such works we will discuss in the simple present tense. So what is the present continuous? Present continuous means whenever we are speaking. For example, now I am speaking. Okay. I am speaking. So this is the present continuous. Why? Because whenever I am speaking, whatever the works are going on at the present situation, whatever the works are going on present situation, that we will speak in the present continuous tense. So for example, I am explaining here now. What is happening now? I am explaining grammar. What you are doing? You are listening my class. Students are listening my class. Okay. Students are writing. Some students are writing. Some are eating. Some are sitting. These works are going on right now. Present, these works are going on. So we will speak such things in the present continuous. Okay? Regular action we will speak in the simple present. Present, whatever the works are going on, that we will speak in the present continuous tense. Okay? Here some sentences given in the simple present. We have to change into present continuous. First, I will explain the formula of the simple present. Simple present. What is this? Subject V1 plus object. Okay. So what is the subject here? I. Subject means I. What is the verb? Brush. What is subject? My teeth. I brush my teeth. This is simple present sentence. Okay. This is simple present. Simple present tense. So we have to change this simple present into present continuous. So present continuous formula is subject, am, is, or plus given plus inform plus object. This is present continuous tense formula. What is subject means I here. Okay, I'll take I. So whenever we take I, we have to use am. We should not use is are. Okay, I am. I should write am. V1. What is V1? Verb 1. This is verb 1. Okay. So brush. And what I have to add given completed inform. I am brushing. What is object? My teeth. My teeth. Is it clear, students? Using this formula, we have to complete. See here, I brush my teeth. Subject, verb, object. Okay? Subject, verb, object. Present continuous tense is subject. Am is the plus V1 plus inform plus object. See here, I am verb brush, inform brushing. What is object? My teeth is the object here. My teeth is object. Okay? Is it clear? How do we change this? I brush my teeth is the simple present sentence. I am brushing my teeth. The work is going on right now. Then we have to say I am brushing my teeth. Okay? Is it clear? So like that we have to change these sentences. Okay? Look at here. Page number 16 in your workbook. Open page number 16, ma'am. Page number 16 in your workbook. Did you open? Is it properly? Yes. See here, fifth bit. What is the fifth bit? Change the following. Change the following. Change the following sentences from present simple to present simple. Present simple to present continuous. Present continuous. Okay? Present simple to present continuous. Here the first sentence. The hawk. The hawk. The hawk flies around the forest. Around the forest. Around the forest. So here, what is the subject here? The hawk is the subject. Okay. What is the verb? Flies is the verb. What is the object here? Around the forest is the object. Okay. Subject, verb, object. That means this is the simple present sentence. Okay. So we have to change this simple present sentence into present continuous. How do we change? The hawk. We should write the sentence in the hawk answer. The hawk. Hello. So what we have to use? Helping verbs. Is, three helping verbs are there now. So this is the third person. So we have to use is. The hawk is, flies is a verb. We have to add inform to that. The hawk is flying. We have to take fly. Flying. Next we have to write same to same object. Around the forest. Around the forest. So this is already there in your textbook. Okay. Next sentence. They sit under the tree. They sit under the tree. Look at this sentence. Here, they is the subject. Sit is the verb. Under the tree is object. Okay. So we should change this simple present sentence into present continuous sentence. So what do we do here? First, they means plural. There are more than one person is there. If more than one person is there, we have to take am, is, are they, no? In that, am, is, are. So for plural, we have to take are. Okay? Are. They are sit. Sit. So we have to add inform here. Sitting. When we are adding inform here, we have to add one more thing here. Sitting. The remaining object will be same to same. Okay? Under the tree. That means now they are sitting under the tree. Okay. This means they sit regularly. They sit under the tree. Here this sentence means they are sitting under the tree. Now they are sitting under the tree. Did you understand? Okay. Right. Write that sentence. And it is the first sentence. Third sentence is pelican. The pelican takes The pelican takes water in her beak. In her beak from the lake. From the lake. So this is the simple present sentence. See here, the pelican is subject, takes is verb, the remaining sentence, whatever left, water in her beak from the lake is the object. Okay? So whatever left after the verb, that is the object. Okay? Verb means action. Take means it is bringing. Okay? And the pelican is the subject. We have to change this simple present sentence into present continuous. How do we change? Right answer. The pelican takes. The pelican is the singular form, third person. So the pelican we have to take is. Am is or no? Is we have to take. Is takes. Takes changes into taking. The pelican is taking. So after taking we have to write object same to same. Object will not change. Water in her beak. In her beak from the lake. From the lake. Okay, write it. Should I write this? Okay, right. Next, fourth sentence. The tortoise. The tortoise tries to douse the fire. Douse the fire. What it was trying? The tortoise. The tortoise is the subject. Tries is verb. So after verb, whatever left, that is object. Okay. So this is the simple present sentence. That means the tortoise regularly tries to douse the fire. That means regularly it is doing the action. So now it is doing. We have to change that. Now the tortoise is trying to douse that fire. That we have to write here. Okay. So what do we do here? The tortoise same to same subject will be the remain same to same. Tortoise. After tortoise we have to use is. Tries becomes trying. Okay, T-R-Y-I-N-G. Trying to remaining left. Whatever left we have read to say. Douse the fire. Douse the fire. Right. Are you writing? Yes. Next. Fifth sentence. The hunters try to catch the huge tortoise. The huge tortoise. The huge tortoise. So here, this is the simple present. See this, the hunter is the subject. Tries, verb. The remaining part is object. Okay. I will write here after reading the sentence. Okay. Right. Well, I'm raising this third sentence now. Okay. I will write answer, fifth answer here. What is that? The hunters. We have to take same to same. The hunters. The hunters. The hunters. We have to use these are the plural. More than one person we have to take are. The hunters are. So what is the verb here? Try. Try becomes trying. The hunters are trying. Next remaining part we should write same to same. To catch the huge tortoise. To catch the huge tortoise. Okay, right. Next sentence. Sixth one. So what is that? The hawk goes to the lion for help. The hawk goes. The hawk goes to the lion. To the lion for help. Look at here. What is the subject here? The hawk. What is the verb? Goes. The verb. Remaining part? Object. Okay. Now write answer. The hawk. The hawk. So it is only one. The hawk means only one. So we have to take is. The hawk is. Goes. Goes changes into going. Going. The remaining part we should write same to same. To the lion for help. Okay. Right. Next, seventh. The tribal hunters. The tribal hunters. The tribal hunters flee the spot. Flee the spot. So here, tribal hunters, total. The tribal hunters is subject. Flee is the verb. Remaining part is object. Okay. So now write under the tribal hunters. The tribal hunters. Hunters means more than one person. So we have to take are flee. Flee becomes changes into flying, fleeing. Fleeing the spot. The hunters are fleeing the spot. The tribal hunters are fleeing the spot. Okay? Right. Making fast, students. Right. Completed, students? Shall I read? Okay. Next bit. Sixth bit. What is that? Complete the word. Complete the word by filling in the blank with the correct letters. With the correct letters. Okay. So here some of the words given but not complete words. Some letters mixed in those words. Okay. We have to fill those letters so that we will get the correct word. Okay. Is it clear, students? So shall we write? And these words belongs to our lesson only. Okay. See here the first word. Here. After one dash, I dash dash D yes dash dash P. Can you guess this word? F-I-D-S-P. So if we fill these words, these letters, we will get the word. Okay. What letters we have to fill here? F. Friendship. Okay. F R I R I N E N D S. After that H I P. Friendship. F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P. Friendship. Okay. You should learn the spelling. Next. P dash L dash C dash N. Okay, what is this word? One of the animal's name, one of the bird's name. What is that? Pelican. So what is the spelling of pelican? P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. Okay. Next, third word. H dash dash K. What is the third one? The main character of our story. Hawk. Okay. What is the spelling of hawk? H-A-W-K. Hawk. Fourth word. S dash A dash dash hatchet. So what is the word thatch? Thatch spelling? S-E-A-R-C-H. Thatch. So here E-A-R-C-H. Thatch. Okay. Fifth word. P dash dash Y. So what is this word? Pray. What is the spelling of pray? P-R-E-Y. Pray. Sixth word. Yes dash R dash dash CH. So what is the word? Screech. Okay. What is the spelling of screech? S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech. Okay. Next word. D-U-E. So what is this word? Douse. Okay, douse means put up. So when douse means if you pour the water and the fire will be put up. Put up means douse. Okay. What is the spelling of douse? D-O-U-S-E. Douse. Okay. Okay. H dash N dash dash R. What is the spelling of this hunter? So what is the spelling of hunter? H-U-N-T-E-R. Hunter. Next, ninth word. D dash C-H. So what is this word? Drench. Okay. Drench means to get wet. So what is the spelling of drench? D-R-E-N-C-H. Drench. Okay. Next, 10th word. F dash I dash dash D. So what is this word? Friend. What is the spelling of friend? Tell me spelling of friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Okay, right, students? Make it fast. Come on, right? If you complete, we will read these spellings, okay? Once we will read these spellings. Come on, right? First word, what is that? Friendship. What is the spelling of friendship? F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P. Friendship. What is this? F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P. Friendship. Okay. Second word. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. Hawk. What is the spelling of hawk? H-A-W-K. Hawk. Okay. Next. S-E-A-R-C-H. Satch. S-E-A-R-C-H. Satch. Next word. Pray. P-R-E-Y. Pray. Okay. P-R-E-Y. Pray. Next word. Screech. Screech means cry of the bird. S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech. S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech. Next word. Douse. D-O-U-S-E. Douse. D-O-U-S-E. Douse. Next. Hunter. H-U-N-T-E-R. Hunter. H-U-N-T-E-R. Hunter. Next. Drench. D-R-E-N-C-H. Drench. D-R-E-N-C-H. Drench. Okay. The next word. Friend. What is the spelling of friend? F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Okay. And tomorrow you learn these word spellings. Okay. You learn these words. Everyone must learn these spellings of the words. Okay. I hope you understand today's session. Tomorrow I will explain next bit. Okay. And some of the students still did not write your fail notes. Okay. Write your fail notes and send it to me. If you not write fail notes, I will not allow your marks. You will lose 5 marks. Okay. If you will lose 10 marks, not 5 marks. Okay. You will lose 10 marks. If you want that 10 marks, you have to write fail notes. Okay. How many lessons? 4 lessons. Till now we have completed 4 lessons. 4 lessons. Meanings and question answers you should write. Okay. Again, you are calling. Meanings to question answers. Enough. No need to write anything. Okay? Write meanings and question answers of the 4 lessons neatly and send it to me so that I will announce you 10 marks. Okay? I will allow you for 10 marks. Okay? Today evening itself you have to send it to me. And thank you. Write those words. Right? Make it fast now.